Musical heatwave, just on the scientist, all right? If we keep ignoring our wounds, accepting our present state and ignoring the truth, we'll just evolve to disease buffoons. Lockdown, divine genes become Darwin's baboons with Hollywood state of mind, mentor and goons. Schools make fools, government make the rules. No righteous kings to rule, a load of bull and cows that moo. They're taking the psss. Who's gonna mop it? It's time to stop it. Pythagoras couldn't build the pyramids if his whole life depended on it. So don't talk to me about his story, it bores me. I need to make my story as I agree up, whilst I read, shake, and to D up, and some Garvey, listen to Marley, then my heartbeat, close my eyes and breathe, get in tune to the antenna, lock off the TV, stop watching them televised and start getting in tune with me. In the seat of my pineal, I've seen a golden light supreme, a pure screen of light beams, you see me? I've started my healing, yes we're healing, yes we're healing. Musical heatwave come to heal up the nation, seen just on The Scientist. Bless up.